to visit this temple, Grama protection of the area by Grama temple deity. Of course, Goa is considered as God's own state and area. From always it is protected by even from the colonial attacks and other things. The power of the village Grama, Devada, Devan and Devada are always be seen everywhere. I had occasion to visit almost all temples and churches in Goa. And today, because when I reached here, the faith of the people in this deity and other things are there. So in a dharmic way is not confined to temples alone, but all the faith. Our concept is also that Ano Bhadra Kradavo Yanda Vishantaka. Let noble thoughts come from everywhere. So that is why Indian society, unity we can see everywhere. Through the process of legal also Rama, that Ayodhya incident is there now there, that temple. It is not confined to a religious faith alone, but the faith of the entire people.